In this video, I'll be showing you how to screen record on your Windows or PC. If you have been wanting to learn how to easily screen record on your Windows or PC, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notifications to this channel for lots of more educational guides and contents like this. Now the first thing you need to do if you want to record on your Windows or PC is to head over to this search bar. Okay, I have my is to head over to this search bar and search for the sniping tool, right? Sniping tool, yeah. So this is it. So I'll click on this. Once it opens, for you to screen record on your PC, what you need to do, you can see there are two icons here. This is record, this is to take screenshot, this is to take video record. So what you need to do is to press this new, right? Once you have clicked on this new, you can resize this shape till this particular amount. Yeah, so once you have done that, you click this start and it starts recording your PC screen automatically. So yeah, that is basically how it works out. So this is the easiest way you can screen record on your PC. So yeah, thank you guys for hanging around. If you have any questions or if you found this video helpful, ensure you watch lots of more educational content like this on our channel Crystal Hustle. There will be lots of more videos coming up with time, so ensure you subscribe to this channel so as you won't miss out on any of the videos coming up with time. Thank you guys.